Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Maktum. In this video we are going to discuss about strings in C programming. The question arises, what are strings? So strings are the sequence of characters enclosed in double quotes. Example, here you can see Maktum I have written inside the double quotes. So this is called as a string. So how can we declare, initialize and read and print the strings in C programming? All this thing we are going to discuss in this video. So are you ready to learn them? So let's jump into it. Declaration of strings. Here you can consider the data type as char and the variable name, the index you're going to give. Here this size refers to the number of characters in the string. For example, here I have given Maktum. M will be stored in name of 0, A will be stored in name of 1, name of 2, name of 3, name of 4, name of 5, name of 6 will be storing null character in the strings. So this is how we are going to declare the strings. Initialization of strings can be done in many ways. I have given here all the ways of initializing the strings. First one, we are saying char name. We are not specifying any index and we are initializing it to Maktum. The second one, I am giving the size as 7 and I am initializing as Maktum. And these are also valid one. Here I am specifying all the characters and at the last you are going to store the null character. I hope I'm clear with this. So this is about initialization of strings. Reading the string from user. So to read the string from user we can use %s format specifier. Okay, and you're going to specify the name of the variable which you have used to declare the string, and without ampersand we are going to write it. Okay, here when you tell the user to enter the name, if he enter a name without space it can be considered. If he enter, for example, if he enter John Cena, here John will be considered because once the space comes it stops there, it will not continue to read when we are using %s. So how can we read the full line? To read the line of a text we have something called as fgetS. So fgetS will take three arguments. First one will be your name, and that is a array name. Then you are going to use size of. Size of name means what how much size you have specified, that much. For example, here I am saying name of 7 means you can have 7 characters. Then you are writing std in. So this is used to read the line of a text. To print it we are using puts function. I hope I'm clear with this. So this is all about the theoretical things which you should be knowing about the strings. So let's write a program to demonstrate all these things. Are you ready to write the program? So let's begin. Okay. Hash include stdio.h int main. You're going to write this return statement. Okay, then char, I'll say name is equals to Maktoum. Yes. Now I want to print it. So you can say printf %s comma name. So this is a simple program. I'm initializing a string as Maktoum and I'm going to print it. Save it with strings.c, compile it, no error. The output should come as Maktoum. Yes, you can see here the output is displayed. Now, this is one way of initializing. I hope I'm clear with this. Now I want to read the name from the user. Okay, so I'm going to specify a 20, name of 20. Now when I say the user to enter name and I say scanf %yes name and I will tell him to print it %yes name. Your name is %yes name. Okay, now here what I am doing is I am reading the name from the user and I am printing it back. So we'll see. Okay, enter name. I will say Maktoum. Your name is Maktoum. Yes, it is executed. No problem. Okay, let me check one more name. I will enter John Cena. You can see here it is printing your name is John. It is not considering Cena. Why? Because whenever I say %s, it will read till it gets space. Once it sees or it gets space, it will not go further. So how can we consider the line of text now? So for that there is something called as fgetS. Okay, fgetS, first you're going to give the name, then there is something called a size of name and you have to write std in. Okay, now I want to print the name whichever I read. For that there is something called as puts. Okay, puts function. I want to print the name. Clear with that. Save it, compile and run. No errors. Now I will enter John Cena. So you can see you got the full name. So I hope I am clear with this. I will print it correctly. Your name is semicolon. Okay. Now compile and run. Enter name. We can say Dennis Ritchie. Your name is Dennis Ritchie. When I used %s, it has printed the string till space. But if you want to print the full text, then we are using fgetS function. I hope I am clear with this. Okay. So this is a small intro about the strings. In the next video we are going to discuss about the string handling functions. There are some functions which are used to handle the strings, like if you want to copy one string into another string, or else if you want to concatenate the first string with the second string, or you want to compare two strings. So all these things can be done using string handling functions, and about them we are going to discuss in the next video. I hope you like this video, and if you're new to the channel, go and click on subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.